Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Apple fan or just love great audio gear, today's video is for you. We're reviewing the AirPods Pro 2, Apple's flagship wireless earbuds. They promise improved sound, better noise cancellation, and a more personalized listening experience compared to the previous generation. But are they worth the upgrade? Let's dive into the design, features, pros, cons, and everything you need to know to decide if these are the earbuds for you. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the AirPods Pro 2 look very similar to the original AirPods Pro. They maintain the iconic stem design that makes them instantly recognizable, but there are subtle improvements. The case now has a built-in lanyard loop and a speaker for Find My functionality, making it easier to locate. It's also IPX4 rated for water resistance, so both the earbuds and case can handle a bit of sweat and rain. Now let's talk about sound quality and features, because this is where the AirPods Pro 2 really shine. Here are the pros that set them apart. The AirPods Pro 2 feature a custom-built H2 chip that powers a significant upgrade in sound quality. You get deeper bass, clearer mids, and more detailed highs compared to the first generation. Apple has also added adaptive audio, which combines active noise cancellation and transparency mode dynamically. This means the earbuds automatically adjust the sound based on your environment, giving you the best listening experience whether you're in a noisy cafe or a quiet room. The noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro 2 is among the best in the industry, rivaling premium options like the Sony WF-1000 XM5. Apple claims it cancels twice as much noise as the original AirPods Pro, and in real-world use, it lives up to that promise. It's great for blocking out distractions when you're on a flight, in the office, or just need some peace and quiet. One of the standout features is personalized spatial audio. Using your iPhone's True Depth camera, the AirPods Pro 2 create a profile based on your ear shape. This makes the 3D audio experience feel more immersive and tailored to you, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music. Battery life has improved as well. You get up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge, with the case providing an additional 30 hours. That's a noticeable bump from the original AirPods Pro, and it means you can go longer between charges. Apple has added touch-sensitive volume controls to the stems, allowing you to adjust the volume with a simple swipe. This eliminates the need to reach for your phone or ask Siri every time you want to tweak the sound, which is a small but very welcome improvement. As expected, the AirPods Pro 2 works seamlessly with other Apple devices. Switching between your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch is almost instant, thanks to automatic device switching. And with the Find My integration, you can track not just the earbuds, but also the charging case, complete with precise location tracking and sound alerts. While the AirPods Pro 2 have a lot going for them, they're not perfect. Let's look at a few cons. If you're an Android user, you'll miss out on features like spatial audio, adaptive audio, and Find My tracking. While the earbuds will still work, they're clearly designed to shine within Apple's ecosystem, so they're not the best choice for non-Apple users. The AirPods Pro 2 come at a premium price, making them one of the more expensive true wireless earbuds on the market. While the features justify the cost for Apple users, budget-conscious shoppers might find better value in other brands. Despite the improved sound quality, there's still no option to manually adjust the equalizer settings. You're limited to Apple's tuning, which might not suit everyone's preferences. Let's wrap this up with a quick recap. Pros: improved sound quality with adaptive audio, best-in-class noise cancellation, personalized spatial audio for immersive sound, longer battery life, touch controls for volume adjustment, seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Cons: limited features for Android users, premium price, no custom EQ settings. So, are the AirPods Pro 2 worth it? If you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem and want the best audio experience Apple has to offer, these earbuds are a fantastic choice. They deliver excellent sound quality, unmatched convenience, and features that elevate your listening experience. However, if you're on a budget or use Android, you might want to explore alternatives. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about getting the AirPods Pro 2 or already own them, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video.